Cricket Kenya has set its focus on the development of junior talents across the country with the introduction of Junior Cricket Clinic in Nairobi. Prakash Palande, the Bat and Bowl Clinic organizer, believes there is a mushroom of talent that is yet to be discovered. More development programs have to be created as Kenya aims to go back to the international scene since its success in the 2003 Cricket World Cup, where the nation made history by reaching the semi-finals. The Bat and Bowl Clinic, which rolled out at the Ruaraka Sports Club, will spread to Nakuru and Mombasa. The aim will see talents being developed from the grassroots level, as well as spreading the game.
Now it's time for the cricketers to show, because there is a talent, but if you don't prove that the talent is worth what you have, the talent is useless.
There are quite a number of kids that have turned out today, and most of these kids, honestly, I'm surprised as to the kind of talent that they possess. And if we can just work on them, groom them, they can be Kenyan stars.
It's a good start, but it has to continue. We have to continue doing it, continue working with the youngsters so that we keep on monitoring their game.
Former cricket internationals Maurice Odumbe and Thomas Odoyo are the legends of Bat and Bowl Cricket Clinic. The juniors expect to improve on their spins, bats and bowls by equipping them with modern cricket rules that will see Kenya improve on its standards as required by the International Cricket Council.
With the ex-players, we know what it took for us to achieve what we achieved. So the more we give back the tips, because these kids, the youngsters who are there, actually they just need guidance. They're not bad players at all, just need guidance, and I think this is the right way to go.
But our major aim is to spread it all over Kenya, not just these 3 places, because this is just a week program, but definitely we would be upgrading this program every month or every year or whatever it is.
Probably we'll try and sell the same idea to other clubs so that cricket can grow all round, so that even these clubs can have the members' kids coming out and turning out to the cricket field and playing cricket the same way that we're doing here today.
Through the development programs and improved coaching standards, Cricket Kenya will see the Flair compete in the ODI leagues, cricket series and other international events at an advanced stage. Mbaka Collins, GBS News.
Watson quickly in the position. He's made that